How's it going, YouTube? Kayak Chris here. I'm under this oak tree here because I'm sheltered from the wind. It's going to be a little bit windy today. I'm here on Lake Hernando. It is April 20th, 2018. I'm sorry, 21st, 2018. It's a Sunday. And I just wanted to take a solo trip by myself, kind of relax. Fresh water. It's local. Last time I was here, I caught a few pickerel, hooked a few, caught one, and it was fun. So kind of piqued my interest, and I'm actually going to try to target some more today. And if any bass will bite, that'll be good too. I'm throwing a Yozuri suspending twitch bait today that I've come to really like. Guess seems to get a lot of attention in the water, in fresh water. Nice color combination of gold with black on the top. And well, I hope it's a good day. I apologize for the wind you're going to hear because it is windy out there. It's about a 9-mile-an-hour wind. The good news is that the wind is at my back on the way back in. So even though I have to paddle out against the wind, the ride home should be pretty cool, smooth sailing. So I'll talk to you later, and hopefully next time I see you, I'll have a fish on the line. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this Yozuri suspending twitch bait. I have it on a loop knot on 30-pound fluorocarbon leader that's attached to the braid. Let's see how well it does. They were really liking this lure last time I was out, so hopefully something will strike it. This is a perfect example of overconfidence right here. There you go. Hope you learned your lesson. Heading in, took a cast, got this little bass. Nothing of size today, but I caught a few.